Hello everyone, Mick coming at you guys from Courtesy Chrysler, and today we are looking at this 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo in a bright silver metallic. Under the hood, you are going to find a 3.6 liter V6 engine coupled with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Coming down to your wheels, you are sitting on these amazing alloy rims with nearly new tires. Now taking a look at your key, you do have your standard unlock, lock, and panic button with factory remote start, so you never need to get into a cold car again. On the door, you're going to find your powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Then just below there, you do have some additional storage space. On the left side of your dashboard, you have your automatic headlamp switches, so you can set it and forget it. Your driver's seat is fully adjustable with 4-way lumbar support and a fantastic black leather interior. This Grand Cherokee does have 125,078 kilometers. Also in your digital menu screen, you have your fuel economy, vehicle speed, trip information, tire pressure, vehicle information, and more. Down to the left of your wheel, you have your voice commands with hands-free calling, as well as your digital menu controls. Over to the right of your wheel, you have your cruise controls in a very convenient location. Then on the back side of your wheel, you have your wheel-mounted audio controls, so you can keep your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel. Panning over to your multimedia center, of course you have your AM and FM options with Sirius XM radio if you choose to subscribe. And you are also able to connect a CD or play a mobile device via auxiliary cord. Just below there you have your dual climate controls so that you and your passengers never need to argue over the temperature in the cabin again. And both your front seats are heated. As you can see, you have tons of storage throughout this Jeep. And your center console is two-tiered. You have your original books in your glove box, and you are able to lock it. Looking into your back seats, you have lots of room back here for your passengers. However, if you do need some extra storage space, your back seats fold flat down to maximize your cargo room. You are easily able to get all of your winter and summer activities back here without a problem. You also have your freshly cleaned factory floor mats. And for those roadside emergencies, you can easily access your compact spare tire. This vehicle has been fully inspected and it does have a full car proof. It's been 5-star cleaned to look like a brand new vehicle. Don't miss your chance to bring home your dream Jeep. This was Nick, and I hope you guys have a great day.